Hi guys. Well, tonight I guess we're supposed to discuss a little bit how we came about with our draft for personal leadership philosophy. I did do the personality assessment and I was not surprised by the results. I tend to be a big believer in honesty and trust, and so that came across loud and clear for me on that assessment. So, as far as my philosophy goes for personal leadership, I would like to start off with I lead by example. If I will not ask you to do anything that I'm not willing to do myself. Another uh, big thing that I believe in is the golden rule: treat others as you would have them treat you. I believe that that's just common respect and courtesy. Accountability and honesty. If I say I will do something, I will do it, and I expect the same from you. If I fall short, I also expect you to call me out on it, but hopefully in a respectful manner, and I'll do the same for you. Communication is key when managing a department. I will listen to any concerns or ideas that you may have an open door policy, and I will communicate all information I can for our team to be successful. Positive attitude must be brought every day. We are human beings, and some days uh, we struggle with it more than we do on others. But if we work together and we're open and honest with each other, I feel that even the down days can can work well for us. So another part of my philosophy that I feel is very important, especially when you're working with people and you're managing people: praise and acknowledgement of a job well done. People need to hear this. People need to be acknowledged for what they're doing and what they're bringing to the department. I would like to think that we would celebrate all wins, large and small, and appreciate each other for all we do and for all the fantastic care that we give to our patients. So I look forward to uh, listening to your guys' drafts, and I appreciate you taking time to listen to mine. Thanks.